Yo, welcome back to another lesson of today, guys. So, in this video, I'm going to show you how to solo part two. I made a part one of the video yesterday. So, if you didn't watch it, here's the video, so you can go and watch it. It's going to help you, okay? So, I talked about the major scale and the pentatonic scale, how you can figure it out in different shape in your guitar, fretboard, and different interval, okay? So, it will help you as a beginner to start figuring different spaces on how to solo good, okay, and solo better. So without wasting your time, I'd like us to go straight to the video, okay? If you know that's the first time watching me, do well to subscribe, turn on the notification bell so you don't miss that anytime I upload a new video like this. And if you want a one-on-one class with me, do well to chat me on the number on the screen there. I'm going to respond to you, okay? All right, guys, let's move straight to the video. Yo, welcome back. Here we are. Okay. So in today's video, I'm going to show you two things that are going to help you to solo very well. Number one is note to note. Learn your note to note very well. Okay, so this is what I mean. Let's say, for instance, I'm playing this song. Okay, so if you start learning this as a beginner, your note to note in every song you come across, okay, it's gonna give you a very good insight. It's gonna give you a very good insight and a melodic playing so far, okay. So like I just played. So under this, another thing you need to know is that you have to learn how to slot your note. Okay, make some pull on, hammer on your notes. Okay, this is hammer on. Okay, this is pull on. This is slide. So if you start learning this, okay, you're gonna sound smooth better when you are improvising. Okay, so like I played earlier. Okay, so even with this, if you want to solo over this song now, even without playing much, you can just solo this note to note, and it sounds better to the hearings. It sounds better to people that are listening to you. Okay, so that's the first part. I want you now. You can apply that in many songs you might come across. Let's say, for instance, you want to play songs like, oh, what's this song? This song, today is a day of joy. Okay, even if you don't want to play much, but with that you can get a good, you can make some good melody through what you're playing, or you can play. Okay. Okay, with that you can sounds very cool, sounds very mature in your solo, even if you just play just that. Okay. ti, do, ti, la, sol, fa, mi. You hear how I improvise that? You hear how I play that? Very cool and melodic. Okay? So if you start learning things like that, your play going to sound so cool and better. Okay. So the number 2 things I'm going to show you in this video is what we call by major arpeggios. Okay. So this is your do. The note that forms your do chord is do, so, mi, do, mi, so, do, mi, so, do, so, do, mi, so, do, mi, so, do, so, mi, do, so, mi. Now, note that forms your va is va, la, do, va, do, la, va, la, do, va. Note that forms your so chord is so, ti, re, so, ti, re, so. Okay. So now this is the song. You are the love, that is your name. You never share glory with any man. You will never share glory with any nobody. Okay, so how you can solo that? You can just now this is your arpeggio, your do arpeggio you're trying to play now. Do, so, mi, do, so, fa, mi. I borrow the note, I borrow the va to the mi, do. Okay. You can just pick the notes of the chord back again, or you can play something like this. Okay. Va, mi, re, do, la. Now I'm playing the note that are in the va because I'm trying to go to the va chord now. Mi, va, mi, va, mi, va. To my va chord now. Okay. Now I'm trying to resolve to the do again. So I play. Va, mi, re, mi, do, so, mi, do. Va, mi, re, mi, do, so, mi, do. Okay, now I play. You a little. Now I'm trying to go to the so chord. So I just take from the va, okay, the resolve to the so. Okay. Okay. Now I play again. Now this time around, I'm on the do chord now. So for me to have what I soloed, I just played sol, la, ti, do, re, mi, fa, sol, la. Okay. Okay. Now going to the va. What should I do there? Instead of going to play the va, I just play sol, la, do to resolve me to the va. Okay. Okay, I not just go the va like that. I take some note from the re, mi, va. Okay, very quickly. Okay. Then instead of playing too much, I just play adding the minor note there, which is the more. This is do, re, mo, mi. So I pick the more there. Strum with my va chord at once. Now, before I resolve to the so, I have to go to re. Okay, the note that forms the re chord is a re, va, la, re, re, va, la, re. To the so, then the do. But most time I likely play like this. Instead of me playing the re like this, I will play a fee, I'll add a fee, instead of I'll add a fee. That gives me a dominant, that gives me a dominant chord. Okay. When I add this do here in the key of G, okay. This do here, okay. Okay. Then I resolve to this song. I know many of you know this song. Salty, re, salty. Add the va to the do. So this is how you can start learning simple soloing as a beginner, as intermediate guitarist. Now you can figure out other songs, okay, on how to apply them, and how to apply these lessons. Okay, it's going to still give you what you're looking at. So subsequently, I will be doing more of these lessons, okay, for you guys. All right, stay tuned and thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Bye.